She's royal, yeah, so royal, royal to my heart.
Ever wonder about what he's doing?
But I still need love, cause I'm just a man.
Every day I rise on a prayer.
So we took turn at the steering, at the window of darkness.
I hope that you will understand where my heart desires.
I see and depart righteous and true. No man no perfect. We only can do the things in this life that we are to.
We are celebrating our Sweet 16, and our first of several parties is happening right here in Ocherius at the Turtle River Park. Anthony, Elaine, Conroy are all here, and I think they're in a party mood. Well, maybe not Anthony.
There's an hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away.
You're on key, that's not a problem. What it is just a timidity about you. Don't be afraid, there's a hero inside of you. So you have to show that with the way you perform.
This is her mackerel moment.
Wow.
All right,
Really?
all right. Because I also was kind of wondering, why are you here? If you're here because you want to be a performer, that's not going to cut it.
I don't think she's ready. I think she needs to come back.
Yeah, I think
Fine,
you can
so
get
you're
better.
not
beautiful
ready.
and talented. Just fill yourself up with confidence and try again.
I want a magic touch. Yeah, 'cause maybe then you want me just as much. I got a girl crush.
I don't need to go on and on. I just found it boring.
I didn't know just what was wrong with me until your kiss helped me name it. Guess what? Now I'm no longer doubtful of what I'm living for. And if you make me happy, I don't need to do more. You make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel like a natural woman. Yes!
Yes.
Your voice is nice enough to work on its own. You're not Aretha Franklin, so you don't have to kind of go into that gut wrenching.
I would do the opposite. I would do what you did, which is to own the song, make it yours, and because of your age, there's no way if you didn't do that, we didn't know that you could relate to what Aretha was doing.